please, please do not kill him.
All that we're smaller, and too weak to resist. Your reign of terror is over. I'll crush all your bones with my fist. You can't win this time. I will end your life. You were the one we despise. Now it's time for your demise. You'll suffer the brunt of a force-hearted blood. It's time to cut you down to size. You fight, you will never win. I'll cleanse the world of your sin. I'll murder and lie for no reason why. There's no turning back. It's time to die.